Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use a multiplication chart to easily and quickly simplify fractions. So let's start with a fraction that you're probably going to see a few times here, next year, wherever. We're going to start out with the fraction 18/24. So if I want to simplify 18/24, I need to find common factors, or numbers I can divide out of 18 and out of 24. So what you might be thinking is, oh, I know those both divide by 2. Let me show you how your numbers chart can help you with that. If I come to the 2's column and I look for the numbers 18 and 24, I'm going to find both of those numbers. So that tells me that, yes, I can divide both 18 and 24 by 2. And if you use your numbers chart, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So this simplifies into 9/12. That number can still be simplified even more. So what you would have to do is you'd have to come back into your chart here. You'd have to look for 9 and 12 in the same column. And if you find them in the same column, you find them right here in the 3's. So that means I can simplify both of these by 3. So now I have 9/12. And I'm going to divide both of them by 3. And that's going to get me 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I simplify that down to 3/4. That is a simplified fraction because they're one apart, and I can't simplify those because the only place you find them together is ones. There is a faster way. So if you pardon the mess, I'm going to show you how to find 18/24 even faster. So I'm going to write down here in red, and if I have 18 and 24, I found them here in the 2's, and I circled them in green. If I keep looking, I can actually find them elsewhere. So if you look, here they are in red in the 3's column, which means I can simplify both of those by 3. But if I do that, I end up with 6/8, which can also be simplified. If you come clear over here to the 6's, you see that 18 and 24 are right next to each other. If they're right next to each other, that means I found the greatest common factor, or the GCF. So I know I can divide both of these by 6. So 18 divided by 6 and 24 divided by 6. Now using the same trick I used on the chart, if I follow the 6 down to the 18 and follow it over to here, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And if you follow the 6 down to the 24 and then follow it over, 24 divided by 6 is 4. So what we just did there is we took a 2-step problem and we turned it into a 1-step problem. We got the same answer, we were just able to do it faster.